Okay guys, so we are here in Vegas again. We are staying at Excalibur, and this is a little room tour of our room. We are on floor 19, room 236. Here we go. Starting off, entryway, right off the bat is the bathroom, like most hotels. Our bathroom, I would say, is pretty new. I think this room was recently renovated, but we have a massive bathroom, huge walk-in shower, fairly clean for the most part. But very, very spacious. So I really like that. Lots of counter space and stuff, so. And then on with the tour. You have closet with a bunch of hangers, hang up your stuff so it's not all wrinkly, and then full body mirror so you can see if your outfits are cute. And then something that's rare with Vegas, there's a mini fridge. So we got our waters, because you got to stay hydrated here in the desert. I think that's awesome that rooms are starting to do that now because it's very much needed. We got a 2-queen room. The beds are super soft, super comfortable. This is not sponsored. I love Excalibur. It is one of my favorite hotels here because it still incorporates that old Vegas theme vibe. And even though it's an older hotel, I think it's great. Like, the rooms are always pretty clean for the most part, and the beds are super comfy. You got your nice big flat screen TV with a giant dresser, so lots of space to hang your stuff. You got your ice bucket and cups, more storage, and a desk, so if you need to work, you have some space with a nice comfy chair. It's very cushiony. We got a view of Mandalay Bay and shoot, what's that pyramid one called? And Luxor. And we also get a really cool view of just the rest of the castle. So yeah, it's not a strip view, but honestly, I think this is still pretty fun and whimsical. But yeah, that is our room tour. Very spacious, very clean. I like it a lot, honestly, and I would 100% stay here again and again and again. Some things to note, there are a few things that here that are still a little bit old, such as there are marks on the wall, which I feel like is gonna be expected in an older hotel. Some, just kind of scuffs and bangs. And then there is an older AC unit, which I feel like because right now it's not super hot in Vegas, it's doing the job, but we couldn't get it any lower. And I feel like when it's in the hundreds, that could be a little bit of a problem. But other than that, the room checks out.